That's it. Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video today. Today it's a card day. So when do I need to do up to? Right, that's my card. So I'm rolling the dice. We've got a 4. Can you? Yeah, you can see that. That's good. Right. So 4 means I've got to go brights, and I've got a 5. So that's specific point. So card is specific point. I hope I've got some. And then ink is going to be Regals, Blackberry Bliss ink. I'm writing it down in my book so I know what I'm doing. So I can easily grab my ink, and there's my ink. You can see that. Now what do I need? Oh, DSP, good. I'm going to use DSP and 6. So that's S to T. Now I've got quite a few S and T stamp sets. Let's have a look. Got special celebrations, thankful thoughts, touches of... Oh, should we go with touches of texture? Because all I seem to be making lately are Christmas cards. Should we go with touches of texture? And then it doesn't say I can't use more than one stamp set. You know, we just mess the rules around a bit. Let's go with thoughtful banners. Let's try that one, shall we? Right, what do I need to go and get? Specific point card. Oh, I hope I've got some. Oh, I think I have. Oh. Yes, I have. There you go. There's my card. Right. Okay. I don't know if it's the change of weather or what it is, but I've gone all stiff. My legs, everything is really hurting and stiff and not nice. So, I don't know. Right, let's get a card blank. I'm going to use a 6x6 card blank. Picked up 2, so I only need 1. Right, oh, now it's saying. Right, hopefully you can see. Now, just notice, let's just get the bone folder. Because when you buy these pre-made ones, sometimes the creases aren't quite right. And that's all you have to do to get it. Okay. I am enjoying making Christmas cards, don't get me wrong, but I've had enough. Had enough for a minute. Right, so stamp sets, ink pad. I don't have as much rubbish on my table as I normally have, but I do seem to have rather a lot still. Right, what we're going to do with this piece of card, could cut it down to 5 3/4 by 5 3/4, and then let's get a piece of Whisper White. And let's do 5 1/2 by 5 1/2, and then don't know why, but as I was doing that I just decided I wanted to rip it. It's no good asking me why, because I don't know, I just felt like it. Just on the one side. Let's get rid of all the rubbish. I'm going to do the same to the white. Okay. Just need a teeny weeny bit off there. Doesn't really matter. Don't even know why I'm doing it, but hey ho. Right, can you see? You can see me there, can't you? I'm just going to cover that up. Just realise this is my lamp. I've got another. Realise this is my lamp. I do think I've got another. I need to. I'll have a look. Right, what are we doing now? Need some blocks. Okay. Let's get some blocks. And see, I've always liked that one there. I like all of these stamps. I do like that one. It turns out really nicely. Let's put that on there. Let's use that one. And I do like that one. I like, as I've just said. I'm not going to say it again, Carol. I'm going to go for the dragonfly, I think. I don't know what I wanted that. Hang on. I'm just throwing a block in the bin. Need to get that out before I forget. There you go. We'll see what we're doing in a minute. Let's just get on with what we've got. Right, that needs to be... I don't have any glue dots at the minute. Our glue dots, Stampin' Up. So I'm just having to make do. Right. Can you see where I am now? That needs to go on that side. Right. Let's see what we've got. Just for now. My hair's everywhere. Oh, go away. Right. See? Did you see my hair just popping onto the screen? I just want to... I think that looks quite pretty. And then now that will be too dark if I do it again. Let's just get a piece of Whisper White and just put it on there, see? And then do it again, just off. See how pretty that looks? And you could even get away with doing it a third time. So Blackberry Bliss is really, if I go back to this one where I did this, that's the second. So I've done a third, a fourth. There's a fifth, and there's a sixth. So you can even get 6 layers of ink out of Blackberry Bliss. It is, I'm going to keep that. That would be quite a good topper. I bet I could do, yeah. See? Okay. Stop playing now, Carol. Okay. What am I going to put here? I don't know. Let's get a little bit of... Don't know why I'm not using black. I'm just using the Blackberry Bliss. Don't know why. Don't know why that didn't work. There you go. That's what I might do actually. I might stamp him on here and then cut one out and put him on there. I think that's a good idea. And I'll put the sentiment down there. How about that? Now, how am I going to get the Pacific Point into all this? Maybe if I colour the dragonfly in. How about that? Do you think that will work? I think it could do. Right, what sentiment do I want? Oh, celebrate. Shall we have that? 2 celebrates. Got that one and that one. Wish I'd put these on the right way round. Where's the birthday one? Oh my goodness. Don't tell me I've lost a stamp. Ooh, I'll find it. What about thank you? I like thank you, you see. Let's do a little thank you. It's a tiny stamp, so you only need a tiny block. Now, oh, don't know why that has decided to come off all of a sudden. I just wanted a really faint. There you go. And then we can go back in with the Blackberry Bliss. Let's get a thank you. Doesn't matter, it's not straight, because I know I didn't say I could use a punch, but I haven't used this punch for ages. So let's... And can you see how it just looks a little bit better without the pure white background, in my opinion? Right, what are we doing? How are we going to put this together? Need to cut one of these out. Didn't think about that, did I? But it will take me a second, well, maybe a minute. And that's it, I've gone quiet again, look. 'Cause now, ladies, while I am doing this, I do have a Christmas craft day coming up on the 2nd of December. If anybody's interested, I live in Nuneaton in Warwickshire, UK. That is £65 for the day, and you will make 5, maybe 6 projects. I haven't decided yet. I keep adding to the list. So you get lunch, you get all your refreshments, you get a goodie bag. There is a raffle you can take part in the end. At the end, it's good value, and you get to spend a day crafting with like-minded people. It is really cool. I'm just going to glue these down now. I've still got fast fuse, so I'm just going to get this down onto the base card. There it is. And also I've got, don't this think this is Pacific Point? No, it's Blueberry Bushel. It's totally different. I've also got a weekend retreat. I'm getting oh, what am I doing? I'm getting put off, aren't I, with what I'm thinking about. A specific point. Yes, so I've also got a craft retreat weekend coming up next March. We're now in September, near the end. People, I've still got some spaces, and if you want to take advantage of the payment installments, then you need to book soon, because I need the deposit of £50 and I need £65 by the end of October, and then another 65 November and another 65 December. It's £245 for the whole weekend, and or £220 if you share a room with a friend. what was I thinking just now? There's lots of projects throughout the weekend. You arrive on the Saturday, or some people do. That's going to finish now, isn't it? Yeah. Some people do stay over on the Friday night, and I will be staying over on the Friday night after I've got the room ready. So I'll be able to say hi to you all and join you for a drink. What else? We have lunch, we have dinner at the Marco Pierre restaurant. We have so many breaks for food, it's unreal. It's really a great weekend. Bring some friends with you and just make some memories. Really, you know, it's just fantastic. It really is. We do have a great time. What have I got in my goodie box? Now, in my goodie box, I have got some pearls, some faceted gems, some more. Nothing really right colours. Don't really want them, they're too big. What's in here? What colours are in here? Maybe I'll have a couple of these. Right, now this is where you get this new tool. If you change, if I change one end, what have I just done under it? If I change one end of it to this end, I should be able to take that off like that. Just put it on there. Just add some gems or pearls. My little goodie box. I keep all my little gems and things in there now because they stay together, which I like. Right, what do you think? That's my quick card using my dice even. I can't speak. My dice idea. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that. I've got to rip that off because it's doing my head in. There you go, that's fine. Leave me a comment, like and subscribe please, and if you're interested in any of my retreats or my craft days, let me know. Take care, bye.